Good morning, children. Welcome to our online SST class. Today we will start our new chapter. They showed us the way. And in this chapter we will learn about religious leader and the religion they founded, social reformers and scientists of India, and some great rulers of India also. Children, India has a rich culture heritage. Under the influence the various rulers and great thinkers, India gathered gems of wisdoms and truth. Even today, people all over the world view India as the land of various religions and spiritual peace. Great scientists and mathematicians have contributed to the development of our country. Let's read about some of them. First is religious leaders. India is a land of many religions: Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism. Four great religions have their birthplace in India: Islam, Christianity, and Judaism followed later. Now we will talk about Guru Nanak Dev Ji. So Guru Nanak Dev was born in Talwandi, Punjab nearly 500 years ago. He was the founder of Sikh religions. There are 10 gurus of Sikhs. The Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikhs. The holy book is kept in Gurdwaras and where people offer prayers. Sikhs regards Guru Granth Sahib as their guru. The birthday of 10th Sikh gurus are celebrated as Guru Parva. Now the next one is Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha or Gautam Buddha was a prince before he received enlightenment. His real name was Siddhartha. He gave up his luxurious life and spent time in meditating to find the root cause of suffering of the man. The religion based of Buddha's teaching is called Buddhism. The people who follow these religions are called Buddhist, and the religious book of Buddhist is Dhammapada and Tripitaka. Now next one is Lord Mahavira. Lord Mahavira was born at the same time of Lord Buddha. He also, like Buddha, renounced his all to get true knowledge. He is the 24th Tirthakara of Jains. He laid stress on right faith, right conduct, right knowledge, and non-violence. Next one is Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ was born in Bethlehem nearly 2000 years ago. Every year on 25th December we celebrate Jesus Christ's birthday as Christmas. Jesus taught that all men are brother because they are children of God. The Bible is the holy book of the Christians. Christians go to a church to offer prayers. This is church. And the next one is Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad was born about 1400 years ago in Makkah, Saudi Arabia. He is prophet of Islam. He taught that there is one and only one Lord, who is Almighty, means Allah, and the prophet was his messengers. His followers are called Muslims. The Quran is the holiest book of Muslims. They go to the mosque to offer prayers. Eid ul-Juha, Eid ul-Fitr and Milad ul-Nabi are some festival of Muslims. Now the next one is Zoroaster. Children, Zoroaster was born in Iran. He founded a religion called Judaism. And children, the people who follow this religion are called Parsis. Zend Avesta is their holy book, and Navroz is main festival of Parsis. Parsis go to fire temple to pray. This is fire temple. Now next one is Hinduism. Hinduism is the oldest religions of the world. As the people understood the way of good living, they developed their own path towards the God. These were then hundreds over from one generation to another. Many epics were written which these through all collected. Rigveda, Atharveda, Samveda and Yajurveda are holy books, and Mahabharata, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita are some of them. These are holiest book of Hinduism. Hindus worship Rama, Krishna, Shiva, Ganesha and Durga. They go to temple to worship the God. Many great sants like Adi Shankaracharya, Maharishi Dayananda, Mirabai, Saint Turkaram have influenced and guided us.